Welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be doing a masking tutorial. We're going to mask this object over here onto another video. Let's go into the color tab in DaVinci Resolve, and as you can see we've got the mask open here. You want to make sure that you've got your legacy object mask open. By doing that, you can click the drop down, click on legacy object mask, and this will open up here. These two choices will open here. So we've got an object mask and a person mask. It doesn't matter which one you use for this one specifically because we're going to be using a person, but I'm going to use object just because it's preference. And then before we get started on masking the object, what we want to do is make sure that everything is selected. So we're going to select the plus icon here to make sure that we've got our mask, but we're not going to mask just yet. We're going to go to the left and click on this drop down and select qualifier. Once qualifier is on, this is going to be easy for us to see what it is that we're going to be masking. And when we start masking, the mask will appear in this section over here. Now that we have everything selected, we can go ahead and start masking the object. So you're going to click and drag or draw the mask. It doesn't have to be an exact drawing, just drawing within the mask's frame like that. And once that's selected, you can see the mask, the object turns red. And now we're going to make sure that the entire clip has been masked. And by doing that, we're going to click this icon here, which says track forward and reverse. And then what this does is it tracks the video from the beginning to the end of the mask so that we don't have to do it manually. Okay, there we have it. And now the object has been completely tracked. Next, we're going to add a node. And what that is it's just a connection between the clip and the video to ensure that the background can be removed so we can use this object onto another clip. To do that, we're going to go to this clip section here. We're going to right click, go to add alpha output and select that, and you'll see your node pop up here. Then we're going to drag this square node from the clip, as you can see here, onto the node. And once that's done, we have our background removed. So we don't see it here, but if you go back to the editing tab, you can see now that the mask has been completed. So the man is now no longer walking in the forest or in the streets, but he's walking in the mall. And we can see this by pressing play. And you can see that he's walking nice and easily through everyone, not, bumping into anyone or anything like that. And so if you enjoyed this, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment on what tutorial you would like to see next, because comments are really important as I can engage with you guys and we can have some fun. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.